guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a clean and organize with me, or clean and declutter with me. I do have a limited time to try to catch up cleaning. It is pouring outside. I just dropped Camila off at my mom's house, so I do have a little window where I can try to get as much done. I have some laundry that I have to finish up. I haven't made our bed yet. We literally just rushed out the house this morning, and when I came back home, I realized, oh my goodness. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just get this video started. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and press the like button if you enjoy these type of cleaning motivation videos. And let's go ahead and get started. just had the girls over a couple days before, and we literally had 6 girls in this room. They all brought their friends, so this is the aftermath. I hope you enjoyed. I hope it gave you a little bit of cleaning motivation. I am now have 3 baskets of laundry that I have to do. I'm not gonna put you guys through all that. So, but yeah, I'm all done. I'm actually gonna take a quick break. Whew, I'm tired. Go downstairs, get me some water and a snack, and I'm gonna come back up here to finish folding the laundry. So if you guys did enjoy this and it gave you a little bit of cleaning motivation, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And before you leave, also comment down below, say hello, especially if you're a new subscriber, say hello down below in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.